Hi, I'm Anthony Alder from Alder IP, and welcome to another episode in the IP series. Today we're going to be talking about grace periods and design protection. Typically in Australia, and this was up to March this year, there were no grace periods for designs in Australia. And for a design to be validly granted, it needed to be novel at the time you filed it. And novelty means that it can't be known or disclosed anywhere in the world. The main reason why designs were found to be invalid was partly because often the inventor would disclose their own invention before filing the design. So they'd put it on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, or just take videos of it operating and pass it around. Now, since March this year, Australia has actually integrated into its legislation a new grace period. The grace period allows you to file design applications in Australia, even though you've disclosed it 12 months before. It's very interesting because it allows you to retrospectively file your applications and still claim the novelty. The problems though are when you go overseas. Say for example, we disclose our invention today and in 12 months time we file a design in Australia claiming the grace period in Australia. We can't then claim a priority filing in overseas countries. We have to use the same grace period in overseas countries to validly get our overseas protection. So we have to simultaneously file the Australian designs as well as the overseas designs. The other thing is some of the countries overseas do not accept grace period provisions. However, the European Design Office does accept grace periods, and so does the US Patent Office, and they both had 12 months. If you can possibly help it, don't rely on the grace period. However, if you do have to rely on the grace period, just rest assured there is a grace period in Australia, and under some circumstances we can use it. I'd strongly urge you, if you're thinking about using the grace period, before you start to go down that path, that you talk to an attorney, just so you know all the ins and outs about the grace period and what's a valid claim on those grace periods. I hope this helps you understand some of the importance of filing early and also claiming grace periods on designs if you can. If you need help with designs, the team at Alder IP is more than happy to help you out. Thanks for listening.